Hi guys, hope everything is going good, and firstly thank you to giving your highly valuable time to watch this video, to giving your precious time to watch this video, to watch Zoom Master review. And inside this video I will show you the product from inside, I will show you the Zoom Master from inside, and also I will be giving you a detailed review and also good valuable bonuses. Okay, so let me clear you this product is very simple, and inside this product you will be given 4 ebooks. Okay, inside front end product, let me clear you once that inside front end product you will be given 4 ebooks. The first one is training guide, the second one is Zoom Master cheat sheets, the third one is mind map, and the fourth one is master resources or resources guide. Okay, so that kind of stuff. Once you have purchased this, you have to face this kind of page, and inside that page you can download from these buttons, and you will be given some rar file or zip file. You can extract them, and you will be given some PDF or ebooks. Okay, whatever you want to say you can say it. And let me clear you one thing, that Zoom is really trending these days, and this guy is covered up from all aspects the Zoom basic inside this front end product. Okay, so I have gone through the PDFs, and it was very much clear to me that how you can use the whole potential of Zoom, and that kind of stuffs all are given inside the front end product. But if you want to know more, you can purchase the upsell for video course, or if you want to watch more, because people these days really love to rely on videos rather than PDFs or ebooks. Okay, so inside upsell you will be given videos, but inside front end product is also cheap, very cheap for these PDFs are really valuable. Let me open you up any one PDF. Let me open the training guide. Okay, so this is the training guide. As you can see, there are so many trainings given inside here. This is the introduction part, and all of the trainings are given inside here. I don't want to reveal the product, I don't want to show you all of the stuffs inside these videos, otherwise the owner will sue me. Okay, I don't want to do that, but let me clear you that you will be given videos inside the upsell version. So let me now go through with the reviews, with the costs, with the upsells and all stuffs, and also most importantly my huge bonuses. Okay, so if you purchase from my website, I will be commissioned from the owner, and also you will be given good valuable bonuses from my website. Okay, so that will be win-win condition for you and me also. That is my purpose to making this video also. So this is a review, this is the ratings, and inside the contents given it has got 96, inside value for money it has got 95%, inside market hits it has got 93%. So overall it has got 9.5 out of 10, which is an extremely good ratings or performance. Okay, but let me clear you one thing, that as people don't like to read these days, don't like to waste their time, don't like to give their personal time to reading, that's why this product has got inside the front end, obviously inside the front end section it has got really a bit lesser rating. Okay, otherwise there is nothing much or no other reason to rate this bit low. Okay, so if you purchase the video upsell, you will be given more inside it if you want to watch the video about Zoom, because these days people really want to work from home, and just pandemic just catalyzed the procedure or that kind of stuffs. Okay, so and positively catalyzed the procedure. Okay, so that's why so many people, so many secretaries, so many HRs, so many employees are really working with Zoom call, with so many education places working with Zoom and Zoom calls. Near about there was a statistics that 54% online businesses are using Zoom. Okay, so that's why this kind of products are really relatable these days, and this kind of products are growing these days. Okay, so if you want to purchase it, you can purchase it within $15. This is the launch period, and you can get it within 30 days, no satisfaction money back guarantee also, and that will be totally secured by the platform, the Warrior Plus platform. So you should have nothing to worry with this for this guarantee period. Okay, so this is the product description, and this is the inside view, and what you will be given, all stuffs are written here. Okay, inside front end, obviously So this is the owner, Sher Ali, and in my opinion this is very cheap, and this is very trending, and this is totally new course, and this is brand new. Okay, so people you can use a Zoom, and after using again and again you can use it smoothly. Okay, one time will come when you can use it smoothly, but you can save your time by getting these courses. So that's why these kind of courses are releasing these days. So inside sales funnel there are only 2 upsells, and if you purchase upsells from my website you will be given some other bonuses. If you purchase the front end product only, you will be given some other bonuses. Okay, so as the upsells are more costlier than the front end product, you will be given more bonuses, more valuable bonuses inside upsell. Okay, so this sales funnel is pretty much revealing. You can check out by visiting this page from the video description given below. And so let me now start with my bonuses. So inside case studies you will be given 4 live case studies. Okay, so these are really good, and that will be very helpful to grow you online, and 4 live case studies. Okay, so all of the titles are written here. And inside Facebook help you will be given 5 products. Inside YouTube helps you will be given 6 products. Inside PC games it is restricted to first 10 members only. You will be given 5 big and good and renowned games. Okay, and this is totally for young entrepreneurs or young minded entrepreneurs. Okay, so in my opinion, my personal favorite is Plant vs Zombies, and I really sometimes like to play games. Okay, so to break my monotonous life. Okay, so inside ebooks you will be given some ebooks. Inside upsell bonuses, if you purchase any upsell from my website you will be given more, and that will be huge kind of vault. Okay, so 200 plus software, 75 plus plugins, 1k plus high quality high quality graphics images, 1.46k doodle character images, 100 plus miscellaneous PLR products with resale rights. You can resell them as it is your product. Okay, so inside PC games you will be given also 3 PC games, and that will be restricted to first 10 members only. So what you have to do, that after purchasing the product you have to go through your purchase history option. After purchasing Zoom Master, upsell or front end, you have to go through your purchase history option. From that option you will be given this blue button. Inside a page there will be a blue button and named as access affiliate bonus, and from that button you will be redirected to my bonuses. So this is the only way to get the product with my bonuses. So that was the overview of the product Zoom Master, and also the ratings, all of the stuffs, upsells, and also my bonuses overview. So I am wrapping up the video. I am signing out now. So bye bye.